National Council for Persons with Disabilities chair joined the ongoing debate on corruption affecting several government departments, saying every Kenyan has a role to play in fighting social ills afflicting the country. At the same time, Sankok has called on corporate organizations to dedicate more resources in supporting children with disabilities access scholarships.
We must now sit down as a country. Let us forget about this blame game. Let us not blame a certain minister. Let us not blame a certain judge. Let us sit down as a country and repent, because we really need sincerely to repent.
And tension remains high in Marti area of Samburu following last Friday's gun attack that left at least 8 people dead and scores others injured. Fearing a retaliatory attack, about 1,500 people from neighboring villages have fled their homes to Barlasoi Center, with several schools closed indefinitely. The residents are urging the county and national government to intervene and restore peace to ensure that the resume normal operations. Elsewhere, Gusii Water and Sanitation Company employees in Kisii County have boycotted work and threatened to disrupt water services to consumers owing to delay in salaries payment, among other remuneration grievances. Efforts to reach the top company's management for comments were unsuccessful, as they were said to be held up in a crisis meeting, and patients at the Embu Level 5 General Hospital were forced to go back home before accessing treatment after health workers downed their tools, citing lack of promotions and poor working conditions. The patients were stranded at the hospital for hours as they pondered what to do next, with most of them admitting that they cannot access medication at the various private hospitals within the region for lack of funds. The health workers later moved into the hospital ward by ward, pulling out some of their colleagues who had been left at the facility taking care of their patients. Finally, Laikipia County Assembly has resumed its sessions with a new leader of majority. Joseph Kabachi, the Igwamati ward representative, will now take over as the Jubilee leader of majority following the death of Mwangi Kamakia during Jamhuri Day celebrations last year. Speaking during the opening of the assembly, Kabachi called on all members and the staff to work together for the betterment of the county.